Hi, I'm David Ripner, CEO and co-founder of the Mobility Marketplace.
And I'm Mark Morton, COO and co-founder of the Mobility Marketplace. Thanks for joining us today as we take a look behind the scenes here at the Mobility Marketplace with the various processes along with the life cycle of the cell phones you ship us.
We hope you enjoyed the short clip, and we look forward to seeing you on our next segment.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching our video on techniques for grading and evaluating TMM cell phone equipment. We get this question a lot, so we thought we'd do a quick video demonstration on how we grade our pre-owned cell phone equipment. The first place we like to start is to make sure that each device does turn on. When a device comes into our facility, we have a burn-in session that allows the device to be plugged in for 24 hours, making sure that 1, it takes a charge, 2, it can hold the charge, and 3, the device does power on. That's our first initial assessment of the device. Our second stage of testing is more detailed in the sense that we want to test all the buttons, the screens, the sound, the camera. Our technicians go through each device and make sure that all these different functionalities of the phone are working properly. After we have a fully functional preliminary test of the phones, what we then do is grade them based on cosmetic. So each one of our phones has been fully tested and fully functional, but at this point we want to determine, is it an A stock phone, is it a B stock phone, or is it a C stock phone? When looking for an A stock phone, what we're looking for is an excellent condition phone with no noticeable scratches or nicks, very clean housing, fully functional, powers on, battery and back coverage will be included. And so what they do, here's an example of our A stock equipment. You can see that there's no noticeable scratches on the display, none on the back housing. As I mentioned before, all the functionalities of the camera and touchscreen, sound, charging port, home button, all that's fully functional. SIM card tray, power buttons, mute button, all that is going to be very clean A stock housing and display. Our second level of grading is our B stock. And what we're looking for in a B stock is a good condition phone with minimal blemishes or scratches or nicks in the display area. It'll have a lightly used housing, it's still power on, and if it needs a battery and back cover, it will come with a battery and back cover. So here's an example of a B stock condition phone. What you'll see is that overall it's still in good condition. There will be some wear on the housing, such as this right here next to the volume buttons. You also see that there's a couple of scratches and wears on the housing itself back here. The screen, when we flip it over, it's going to look pretty good. There's going to be minimal scratches, some signs of use, but definitely in a good B stock condition. Our next level of condition is a C stock device. With a C stock phone, we're looking for a heavily worn or poor condition phone with any or all of the following: scratches or nicks in the display area, or heavily worn housing, potentially a screen burn-in. Here's an example of our C stock device. You'll see that it is very heavily worn on the housing. Here above the volume buttons and the side housing, it's pretty well scratched. The back on this one is scratched. As I mentioned before, the camera works, the volume buttons do work, the home button works. Everything seems to work properly with this device. It's just that it's going to be a cosmetic poor condition. Once our devices go through a cosmetic grading scale, then our technicians place these devices on a data wipe machine, which fully data wipes the device back to its factory reset. After the devices have been data wiped and tested and graded, we then run the ESNs and verify that each ESN is valid and clear to activate. If you'd like more information about our recycling program, or if you'd like us to provide a quote for your used pre-owned equipment, please send us information at info@themobilitymarketplace.com. Or if you would like to purchase pre-owned cell phones, please visit our website at themobilitymarketplace.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.